Hey guys, this is Sean from SeanWithThe.com, and today we are having Microsoft Lumia 535 dual SIM smartphone with us, and we will perform an unboxing of the retail box. We will have a look on the device and its design, its basic feature and functionality, all the usual unboxing stuff. So let's just start first of all with the retail box. Here is the Lumia 535 dual SIM retail box. As you can see, here is the picture of the device, and as you can see, it's a 3G device and it is having dual SIM capabilities. There are two towers signals appearing. That's all about the front side. If you go on the side, left side, here is the name of the device. That's Microsoft Lumia 535 dual SIM. This orange dot indicates that the device inside is of orange color, and here is the more information about the device. Once again, that it is made in China. The device is having bright orange color. Here is Lumia 535 DS rating. It's not for sale, it's a review unit. And here are the IMI numbers for both SIM slots. And now let's have a look on the back side. Here once again is the name of the device, Microsoft Lumia 535 dual SIM. It's a Windows 8.1 device. It's having Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, 1.2 gigahertz of the series Snapdragon 200. And here is the QR code, I don't know for what. And these are the content inside this retail box, that a smartphone, a battery, a charger, and user manual. And these dots indicate that Microsoft Lumia 535 is available in 6 colors, and these are black, green, cyan, gray, white, and orange. So this is all about the retail box. Let's open it and let's have a look on the device and its design and everything. So let's open the retail box now, and here is our Microsoft Lumia 535. Let's see what else we got inside. Here is the battery, 1905 mAh. And here is the user manual. Here is a charger, and there is also a headset, even though the retail box doesn't mention that there is the headphone inside this retail box, but we still got it, so that's kind of cool. Now let's put the battery inside the device and let's have a look. So this is the interior of our Lumia 535. You can see there are two SIM card slots. These are the micro SIM card slots, and here is the micro SD card slot. This is the 5 megapixel primary camera. Here this slot is for the battery, obviously, and here is the tiny speaker, I think. Yes, that's the speaker, and that's all. So this Lumia 535 is booting for the first time, so it will take a bit time. So let's have a look on the design. Till then, on the front side we're having a Microsoft branding here. As you can see, here is the 5 megapixel primary camera, and there are no capacitive keys here, the navigational capacitive keys. So we are expecting that we will get the on-screen keys. As you can see now, it's for sure that this device supports lots of languages. Even Hindi is there, and lots of Arabic, Persian, and all. Let's go to English. Okay, here we go. So on the right hand side we're having the volume rockers. This is the power key. On the left hand side there is nothing. At the top there is 3.5 mm audio jack. At the bottom there is a USB port to charge the device. At the back side here is the 5 megapixel primary camera. Here is the flash, Microsoft branding, the logo in the middle, and here is the speaker. And that's all about this device. As you can see, the back panel is very glossy, very shiny. It's not having the matte finish like a few of the Lumia devices available in the market. And these are just the settings, and I'm going to skip lots of them. Okay, so the device is just setting up. So let me tell you about few of the features of this device, about the hardware specs. That it is having 5-inch screen. The resolution is 540 cross 960 pixels, so you will get 220 ppi pixel density. The screen is having the Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection. We will do the durability test of this Lumia 535 of its screen to see how strong is the Corning Gorilla Glass 3 on this. And it is having the 1.2 gigahertz quad-core processor of the Snapdragon 200 series. As I've already told you, the GPU is Adreno 302. It is having 1 GB of RAM and 8 GB internal memory. As we have seen already, it is having the micro SD card slot as well, which supports a micro SD card of up to 128 GB. So that's pretty nice. And the screen is IPS LCD screen. It's a budget Windows phone, so it is not having the clear black display and all, the Super AMOLED screen, so fancy features. It's not having all those. And if you go down to the camera side, as I've already said, that the primary camera and the front facing camera both are 5 megapixel in terms of quality, and the battery is 1905 mAh, as we have already seen. And I think it's pretty much covered everything. So let's just hope that our device will reach the starter screen fast, and we will have a look on the rest of the things, that what we get inside this device. Okay, so all the apps have finished installing, as you can see on the screen. So let's start using our phone now. And here is our Microsoft Lumia 535 dual SIM smartphone, and you can see it's having all the popular Windows Phone stuff like Cortana, Facebook, MSN News, Lumia Selfie, Windows Phone Store, Skype, HairDrive Plus, Lumia Creative Studio, Lumia Camera. And let's go to the list of the application to get a better idea. So what we got here is App Social as well. I think the device I got is a pretty old, because App Social is not coming in any of the Lumia devices, the recent devices, because this program is closed. So, but I think since this device is a bit old, so the App Social application is still live on this. And what we got here is the battery saver calculator, Cortana, Data Sense, Facebook, FM radio, Game Loft Hub for downloading the Game Loft games. Here is the games, the Xbox games, and here Drive Plus, here Maps, Internet Explorer, Lumia Camera, Lumia Creative Studio, Lumia Selfie, Lumia Storyteller. It is having bunch of Lumia application, Lumia Help plus tips as well, and Maps. As you can see, there are two messaging applications, as you can see here, and because this is a dual SIM phone, and for each of the SIM there is a separate messaging application. And here is Lumia Cinematograph as well. So I think the device is still loading the application while I'm checking this list. Right here in front of you, there is MSN News, MSN Money, Xbox Music, Office application, OneDrive, OneNote, People. Once again, there are two phone applications for SIM 1 and SIM 2, then photos, podcast, settings, Skype, sports, storage, Windows Store, travel, video, wallet, weather. So all of the basic and the popular Windows Phone applications, features and functionality are available here. If we go to the settings, we can have a look on more features and functionality of Microsoft Lumia 535 here. And as you can see here in the storage sense, that out of 8 GB the user available memory is 3.49 GB only. So you are going to use the memory card slot anyhow. And if we go to the about section, we can check that it is Microsoft Lumia 535 dual SIM. It is having Windows Phone 8.1, the update 1. So this is all about the Microsoft Lumia 535 dual SIM phone. It's looking pretty good in the first impression, even though the screen resolution is very less. The quality is still good, as you can see here. The pixels are not visible or any kind of pixelation on the screen. It's looking pretty good, even when I am making it closer to the lens here, as you can see. And the design is the standard Lumia design. It's one of the most popular thing about the Lumia smartphones. It is having a particular design. The one thing I'm not liking here is this glossy back panel. You can see it's very shiny, and I think because of that it will be prone to fingerprint as well. So the detailed review of our Microsoft Lumia 535 will be up on our channel very soon. We will perform lots of tests like the gaming performance test, the durability test, and the benchmarking test, and all comparison to some high-end Windows Phone devices. So keep watching the channel and do not forget to subscribe it. So thanks for watching the video, friends, and do not forget to subscribe the channel for more videos, tips and tricks, and hands-on reviews like this. Have a nice day.